Hello, and welcome to the MedBees.life podcast. In the world of natural wellness, Manuka honey has long been hailed as the heavyweight champion. Known for its potent, almost medicinal antibacterial power, it has rightfully earned its place on the top shelf of health food stores everywhere. When you need a powerful natural remedy, especially for wounds and infections, Manuka is the undisputed king. But what if there was another contender, a lesser-known but incredibly powerful challenger, revered in ancient traditions across the tropics as the true mother of medicine? We're talking about Stingless Bee Honey, a rare and complex elixir with a story and a science all its own. The question for the discerning health seeker is no longer just about raw power, but about the nature of that power. While Manuka acts as a highly effective specialist, could Stingless Bee Honey, with its entirely different production method and a far more complex chemical profile, offer a wider, more holistic range of benefits for your overall day-to-day health? An in-depth scientific comparison reveals a fascinating answer. While Manuka's strength is concentrated, Stingless Bee Honey's unique creation process results in a synergistic elixir with a much broader spectrum of benefits, making it a true champion of holistic wellness. Let's start with the specialist's power and understand Manuka Honey's MGO weapon. To appreciate the comparison, you first have to respect the champion. Manuka honey is a monofloral honey, meaning it comes primarily from the nectar of a single plant, the Manuka bush, native to New Zealand and parts of Australia. Its legendary status is built on a single, powerful bioactive compound, methyl glyoxal, or MGO. Interestingly, MGO isn't present in high amounts in the nectar of the Manuka flower itself. It's formed during the honey ripening process from a precursor substance called dihydroxyacetone, or DHA, which is abundant in the nectar. Over time, this DHA naturally converts into MGO, imbuing the honey with an exceptionally potent and stable form of antibacterial activity, known as non-peroxide activity. This means its germ-fighting ability remains strong even when other factors like enzymes are neutralized. This potent MGO-driven action is why Manuka honey has such a strong clinical reputation, particularly as a topical treatment. It's a go-to for medical-grade wound dressings, proven to be effective against a range of infections, including notoriously difficult antibiotic-resistant bacteria like MRSA. Its value is so well recognized that it has its own grading systems, UMF and MGO ratings, which certify its potency. In short, Manuka is an elite, scientifically validated specialist, a powerful tool for specific, targeted therapeutic applications. Now, let's turn to the holistic alchemist, how Stingless Bee Honey is made differently. If Manuka is a refined specialist, Stingless Bee Honey is a holistic alchemist. Its power comes not from a single compound, but from a fundamentally different and more complex creation process. This process transforms the honey from a simple food into what can only be described as a comprehensive wellness tonic. The secret lies in the hive's architecture. Regular honeybees build their combs from pure, chemically inert beeswax. Stingless bees, however, construct small spherical storage vessels called cerumen pots. These pots are not pure wax, they are a bioactive composite material, blending beeswax with a high concentration of propolis, the powerful, sticky resin bees collect from tree buds and bark. Propolis is essentially the immune system of the hive, packed with hundreds of compounds that protect the colony from pathogens. When stingless bees store their honey in these propolis-infused pots, a slow, magical transformation begins. Over months, the potent medicinal compounds from the propolis walls, a rich array of flavonoids, phenolic acids, and terpenes, leach directly into the honey. This natural propolis infusion process enriches the honey with a vast spectrum of therapeutic molecules that are simply not found in honey stored in plain wax combs. Furthermore, its naturally higher moisture content facilitates a controlled fermentation process by beneficial microbes, creating unique organic acids and making it a living food. teeming with potential probiotics. The result is not just stored nectar, it's a whole hive fermentate created within a natural alchemical chamber. So, with these different origins, how do the two honeys stack up when it comes to specific health benefits? This is where the story of the powerful specialist versus the versatile holistic generalist truly comes to life. Let's start with round 1, antimicrobial action. Manuka honey's fame is built on its antimicrobial prowess. Its high MGO content gives it a powerful and stable ability to destroy bacteria. But Stingless Bee Honey is no slouch, it's just a different kind of fighter. Instead of one primary weapon, it uses a synergistic cocktail of antimicrobial strategies all at once. Intensely high acidity, a strong osmotic effect, and a rich blend of non-MGO phytochemicals from its propolis infusion. The result? Research shows that Stingless Bee Honey exhibits potent, broad-spectrum antimicrobial activity that is often comparable and in some cases even superior to that of Manuka honey. Now for round 2, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory power. This is where the holistic advantage of Stingless Bee Honey becomes undeniable. While all raw honey contains antioxidants, systematic reviews of the scientific literature consistently find that Stingless Bee Honey contains significantly higher concentrations of total phenolic compounds and total flavonoid compounds. These are the very molecules that fight oxidative stress and calm chronic inflammation, the underlying drivers of most chronic diseases. For daily, systemic, proactive health, protecting your body's cells from the inside out, the richer and more diverse antioxidant profile of Stingless Bee Honey gives it a clear and decisive edge. Moving on to round 3, metabolic health and blood sugar support. This is where Stingless Bee Honey reveals a true secret weapon. Research has discovered that it is a rich source of a rare natural sugar called trehalulose. What makes this sugar a game-changer is its low glycemic index. This means it's broken down and absorbed slowly, providing a sustained stream of energy without causing the sharp spikes and crashes in blood sugar that come from high-G sugars. For anyone concerned with metabolic health, from athletes seeking stable energy to individuals managing their blood sugar levels, this unique property gives Stingless Bee Honey a functional benefit that Manuka and other honeys simply don't possess. And finally, round 4, the emerging frontiers of gut and brain health. The holistic benefits of Stingless Bee Honey extend into the most exciting frontiers of wellness research. Its natural fermentation process means it can be a source of live beneficial bacteria, making it a potential probiotic that supports a healthy gut microbiome. Furthermore, exciting new research has begun to link the compounds in Stingless Bee Honey to improved neurological health. Animal studies have suggested it may help increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, a vital protein for memory and the growth of new brain cells. While Manuka's benefits are well established in its niche, Stingless Bee Honey is showing incredible promise across the interconnected and vital systems of gut, metabolic, and brain health. So, which honey comes out on top? The truth is, it's not about one being universally better than the other. It's about choosing the right tool for the right job. Manuka honey is an unparalleled specialist. Think of it as a medicinal-grade sniper, expertly targeting bacterial infections, particularly on the skin and in wounds. When you need powerful, focused antibacterial action, Manuka, with its certified MGO content, is an excellent and reliable choice. Stingless Bee Honey, on the other hand, is the ultimate holistic generalist. Think of it as a medicinal Swiss Army knife. Its power comes from the incredible synergy of hundreds of compounds working in concert. It offers a much broader spectrum of benefits for your internal systemic health. For daily wellness, combating inflammation, supporting your metabolism, and nourishing your gut and brain, the complex propolis-infused nature of Stingless Bee Honey makes it the superior choice. In conclusion, the debate between Stingless Bee Honey and Manuka Honey isn't about crowning a single winner, but about understanding and appreciating the unique gifts each one offers. Manuka rightly holds its title as a potent antibacterial specialist. However, as science delves deeper, the evidence increasingly suggests that stingless bee honey is the true embodiment of the mother of medicine. Forged in a bioactive chamber, infused with the wisdom of propolis, and teeming with a complex synergy of compounds, it offers a far more comprehensive and holistic approach to health. For those seeking not just to treat, but to nourish, protect, and balance the body's intricate systems, this ancient elixir is proving to be one of nature's most profound and powerful gifts. For more in-depth information and to see the science behind what we've discussed today, please visit our website at medbees.life. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insights into the amazing world of medicinal honeys. Thank you for listening.